How to join Gelato affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can join Gelato affiliate program. How do you do that? The first step is to log into Gelato. I see your web browser, and then on the search box type out Gelato affiliate program page. Okay, program page, and then click enter or the search icon. And once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you see different options. So ensure you select the first one, which says Gelato affiliate marketing program, earn money with Gelato. So once you're on the affiliate program page, the next step would be for you to scroll down to the point where you can see join now. So click on join now, and then you'll be redirected to the next page. All right. So once you're on this page, you'll be required to apply and then create your own affiliate program. So this is the partner application program. So scroll down, enter in your first name, your last name, your phone number. All right. Check if your country is eligible to participate in the affiliate program. All right. Then enter in your number. After doing that, scroll down, enter your business name, your country. Okay, where are you based? So you can just search for that. And how do you identify yourself? Okay. So enter in the link of the website where you intend to send traffic from. Enter in all of it here. How do you want to promote Gelato? That's what they're asking. So enter in the links to all of the sites which you plan to use to promote Gelato. Then scroll down. How large is your audience? How do you plan to promote Gelato? Why do you want to join the program? Will you make your life easy as our partner? Fill in all of this, submit your application. Once the application has been submitted, and it will be reviewed, then the Gelato team will review your application and notify you of your acceptance. So once approved, you will receive an affiliate link and marketing materials to help you promote Gelato, and you can earn up to 15% commission on orders placed through your affiliate link. And that is how you can earn properly on the Gelato affiliate program page. So it is a means of earning extra cash. So if you feel you're up to the task, I would strongly advise that you take it because it will yield profit. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.